Gavumenti erukurabira omu kitongore ekya Energy and Mineral Development bari omuhururu y'okushomesa abanya-Uganda okuba kubasa kutandika okutekyesa amashanyarazi okuruga aha kutema emiti barukwosya amakara.
Amizi agasupa yokwenda kusigaza. So ekyo kwerekera bwebere ne kusiria no basatitaho noza Kampala no rara esandibwe no garuka. Tibukuza kusiria.
Eki nikijaho bwanyuma ya mukuru w'ihanga okuruzibira okuguza amakara kandi obwahati obucweka bubiri aharigana bw'abanya-Uganda nibo barikutekyesa amashanyarazi eki gavumenti eri kugira ngu n'amakara agabantu barikukozesa gariyo nigongera kubura.
Okucondoza tukashanga abantu abingi bakikozesa amakara ebicweka nshanju na mushanju arigana nibakozesa amakara then ebicweka 18 byakozesa manda bikozesa enku so nikimanyisa ngu ntirainga abibira bitu for our daily cooking.
Abantu bengi tubakumanya ngo omwika nukuturwaza ebihaha tugira kansa tutuire nabyo abamwe abazaire baitu omundu noshanga nicyo kyabaitire n'okubaita tutakukimanya. So when we get an alternative cooking, we should change our minds and adopt a new technology.
Tugenda kutagatieta umuhonga kandi obasa kushanga bagatieta batakubasa kugatekeraho abapeni bagatekeraho barukuriya konka tibine amashanyarazi ebicweka nke byagobyeje bagi ebicweka nke bya hariya buseri bayeta rwenjeru tukakarebeka.
Aba bayoreka oku gavumenti eriyo nekwatiraho abatura okugura ebyoma ebyokutekyesa amashanyarazi omushahemwe omuntu arikukozesa 12 zonka wagerageranisa n'amakara.
Kyatekera shaha tuba kyakozesa 1.2 kilowatt hour kyokumanyisa 10 zingayi na 2 ashumipe yanyu amashanyarazi ga 10 zingayi 12 kuteka monokoni twateka babakireta chika eshaha ochemwe shaha babonjemera chikazira itiki 15
time one za kuteka impima byome ukata 55 minutes utachize shaha tuanze maisha ngo better than no process kwa kwa za kuteka semu odo tejizo gesha mbili
feedback from communities.
Omugandi bakawu n'abarikurra okuguza n'okugura ebintu bya gavumenti bayegesebwa okubaine kutwara omurimo yabo omumisho na munonga okuhwera okushanga eby'obutegeki nibabyegekyerera eki barikugira ngu nikireetera abantu batatunga buringaniza.
We've come to tell our stakeholders about the complaint handling mechanism. If a bidder is dissatisfied, if a bidder has issues, where do they go? How do you lodge, complaints?
Omushomogu ogwa PPDA Appeals Tribunal kubire aha Lakeview Hotel omuri Mbarara.
Now, if you councillors don't address at that point, and we sit on boards and see people can fail to read these documents, and you just ignore it, you will have missed an opportunity to plan, to ask the right questions. Now, when you approve that plan, the second point which we have been advising leaders, including the procurement heads, is that then there is a report. When you make a plan, it's a report. We talked about a report, isn't it?
You must have administrative review complaint addressed to the accounting officer. For most of the bidders, do a mistake and address the administrative review complaint to the head of procurement, and it is not good, it is illegal. You must address it to the accounting officer in 10 working days.
Abembezi basima ebi akakiiko akari kukora.
People will say, I can't let, for example, let me use the recent thing, I can't let Katete Bridge move. Some of the things are political. Interest yourself to know what is prevailing within the entities. You find that this one, someone will start logging a complaint,
he doesn't want this procurement to go on because the road is going to Kakoba South or the road is going to North Division. So he will try to make sure that this procurement is really frustrated.
Kiza kutuyamba naho abafere ahabayayi ba contractors abakwija bakakora imirimo etashikire kandi ubundi ukabarana hiwa batabaraza ubundi kwakuba hari akaciko ka Tribeno waba nga district oyinaho kwenda kwetombita nangwa niyo nubo ko contractor oyinaho kwenda kwetombita nubo oyinaho kuza kandi akaciko ka Tribeno mugashobwako nugo kugarikana saba
nda Michael Tumwachire na Good Fatuma Hawa TV West.